So hello guys, today we're teaching treating HTML tables. So HTML tables basically help you to create table on your web page. So in this table we have the horizontal line as the row, and we have the I cannot say this before. We have the straight line, the vertical lines as the column. Horizontal row, vertical column. So I just used this to mark the row, this color that is different to mark the row, something like that. So each we have like four rows, one, two, three, four. I have like four columns, one, two, three, four. So we're heading how to be checking how to create a table. So the syntax is quite complex, but you can master it if you practice. So to start a table, we have to start with a table tag. So to start the whole table, we have to start a table tag. So putting the table tag, we start with the border. You start with the border, you put the border here. So the border is basically these lines bounding the table. As you can see, all these lines bounding. Without it, you will not see the lines. So I'll put in nothing there so I can practicalize and see what will happen if we not put it. So the next we have to put inside this table now is, because this whole thing now is a table, so everything inside here is the child of the table. So next thing we put in here is the caption. That's the heading, the caption of the table, so called the, like, it's not the table but at least the heading, the main heading of the table. So we have the caption tag. You can put anything there. My first table, then let's put style and put the text to be aligned in the center. So we'll just align text in center first. So I'll be going to Chrome to refresh this. Let's see. So as you can see, the table does not have height and width, and this is how it is showing. So I'll be giving table height and width and also moving to the center. So you can watch me and know how I'm doing it, but you don't need to do this, you just need to learn the whole syntax of the table. So let's say I'll start with style, because I told the style we use styling. So I'll give it height of 500 pixels and give it width of 500 pixels. Then I'll just say margin auto so that it will come to the center. So if we refresh, as you can see, your table is set to be put things inside. So this caption will be giving it border. Oh, let's go. As you can see, there's no border here. These two, there's no border. The border here is just zero. I like this. So we'll be having, so after our caption, we can now start. So after the caption, we can now start separating them like this one by one. But in computer context, how computer sets it like row by row. So if you want to put a value, a table value, now you start from putting this whole rows first before putting the second row, then put the third row, fourth row. That's how you continue going. So I'll be showing that too. Let me be commenting so that I'll be marking where we are. So we have caption of table. So we're having table heading, no table head. So what basically table head is this name, all these ones on top of that. like some are bold, as you can see them. So we will put in that. So to write a rule, I told you we'll be putting rows row by row. Any content that's being entered in the table is coming row by row. So to write a role in a computer, you have to use the TR. So to write a row, you have to use a TR. So we'll put it here in the comments. You note TR is to put a row in a table. So you can write that in your mind. So to put a row in the table, you have to use TR. So to put those table head, we have to use TH. Table head in each TH. So let's say we have 40H. So inside this 40H, we put in name, age, sex, let's say gender, and last name. So this is the context of the T head. So we'll be going to our main table we are creating to refresh that we can see. As you can see, the table head has already been set for you, ready for the other ones to come in. So start by copying, no, not copy. So we'll be going down to the next T row. So the next T row. So see what we are doing here. This is the first T row, and the T row contain all the whole T heading. So this is the table heading. So we'll have the next table row. Table row we call having all the whole table data. Then second row will have all the whole table data again. So we can continue. I have only one T row that will contain one table head. So you want to have too many table heads, it's your own decision, not mine. So we have a second table row, I mean. So the table row carry a TD. The TD means table data. So this is where we'll now put the table data. The first person's table data will put the person's name as Gombe, then person's age as 30, male, and put person's last name as Snack. So if I go to the table to refresh, we will be seeing this. As you can see, it's quite a lot different. It's okay somehow, but you get to changing that. So I just need to reduce height and reduce the height something 400. Then I need to put text align so that all the whole text will be aligned in the center. So I'm using text align. I'm putting in the center. So I need all the text to be in the center. Basically, just can see all of them they're in center now. So we can continue. So don't mind all these CSS style in case you cannot, but if you can still use it, you use it. I advise you to use it. So we'll go on. So the first this thing was table. After table, we have the caption. After caption, we have the T row, the table row. So the table row will now contain the T head first. Then later the table row now start containing all the whole table data that you need to put. So that's it. So I'll also be increasing the font size. so that we can see them more. So I just copying and pasting this so that I'll just edit them more. So but you guys be writing it so that you'll be getting used to it. So I have Daniel, age 15, snacks 10, Daniel, age 19, female, snacks. So I'm going to get refresh. As you can see, the table row is being arranged. So the first table row, second table row, third table row, and fourth table row. As you can see, that's what we read here. Table head. Then we now have second table row, third table row, fourth. So as you can see, for table row. So that's that. So that's for table. So you can practice this. Then I need to teach you co-span and row span. So there are some tables that, let's say, um there are not some information here. We just need to this row can span into this. You'll be seeing only this male containing in these two spaces. I'll still show you. You have what's called row span and full span. So I'll be showing you that. So basically, this is what the row span looks like. So I'll be going to this TD. Then I have to remove one information. Yeah, for it to span, you have to remove one information. If not remove any information, one information to span into the next row. No, I'll start from co-span. Yeah, co-span. So I'll just try one co-span. Then if I should refresh, as you can see, it's only spanning like for only one of these column. Checking for comb-based mail. So if I change this co-span to 2, it will want to take 2 columns. As you can see, the mail first one like this one is occupying 2 columns, and this snack is now outside the table, which you don't want. So you can basically just comment on it and we remove it. As you can see, this is called a co-span. The thing is going to the next column because I told you horizontal. I mean vertical is column. So from this column is entering the next column. That's co-span. So row span is from this row now. This one enter inside this row. So we're practicing that. So we have to put the row span here. Start from 1. So leaving this Daniel there. So refreshing, nothing works. So put 2. So as you can see, the thing went from its normal distance down to the next section, and it's not looking nice. So we have to comment out Daniel. So I think that look nice. So as you can see, Daniel expanded from his own row to the next row. So that's basically row span and co-span in tables. So we also have the okay, I think this is just the syntax we use, but we have other you know LMS to use and put in more semantically, but I'll be teaching that in HTML semantics. But I'll not be repeating the explanation of this again. But I'll be putting other sense to the table in HTML semantics. So thank you. So you can basically practice this, the row span and the close span.